In this video, I'll show you how to restore MetaMask lost access without a seed phrase. Before we begin, it's very important to understand one thing. In MetaMask, your secret recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase, is the main backup for your wallet. If you lose your password, delete the app, reset your device, or install MetaMask on a new device, the recovery phrase is normally required to restore access. So, can you restore MetaMask without the seed phrase? In most cases, no. MetaMask cannot recover your wallet for you because it does not store your recovery phrase, private keys, or password. This is part of how self-custody wallets work. You control the wallet, but you are also responsible for keeping the backup safe. However, there are a few things you can check before giving up. First, check whether MetaMask is still installed and unlocked on any of your devices. Look at your browser extension, old laptop, phone, tablet, or any device where you may have used the wallet before. If MetaMask is still accessible somewhere, open it right away and back up your secret recovery phrase from the wallet settings. To do this, open MetaMask, go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, and look for the option to reveal your secret recovery phrase. You will need your current MetaMask password to reveal it. Once you see the phrase, write it down on paper and store it safely offline. Second, check whether you saved the recovery phrase somewhere secure. Look through physical notebooks, password managers, encrypted backups, safe storage boxes, or documents where you may have written it down. Be careful not to upload your phrase online or type it into random websites claiming to recover wallets. Third, if you still have the device where MetaMask was installed, but you forgot the password, recovery may only be possible if you find the secret recovery phrase or have access to Wallet Vault data and know the password. This process can be technical, and there is no guarantee it will work. If MetaMask was deleted, the browser profile was removed, the phone was reset, and you do not have the seed phrase or private key, then the wallet usually cannot be restored. Also, be very careful of recovery scams. No support agent, hacker, or recovery service can magically restore a wallet without the seed phrase, private key, or valid wallet data. Anyone asking for upfront payment or promising guaranteed recovery may be trying to scam you. For the future, always write your secret recovery phrase on paper, store it in more than one safe location, and never share it with anyone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.